that's in the truck with me. Hey, I'm stuck with me. I tell you something, if you really was smoking, you better be if you want more, you can get it. Smile on my face, I got a ratchet. Oh, look at me, yo, believe I gotta go. Just remind y'all niggas when I come through. Take two, but so many shots come. Okay, so you don't a nigga, then I cap up a nigga. When I finish it, turn it to an observe show. And you better observe. She the probably treat you up just a little to hand your body. Damn, better play that. For a nigga, I don't play, baby. You nigga go the other way. Hey, keep that thing right in front of my show. Better tell him I ain't playing. But get us out for the game. Until somebody get hurt, ain't a damn thing change. I still keep that thing. Until somebody get hurt, what you better get?
You still recording?
Stop.
Playing like and then leave. Like Brown Lord running name out. They didn't tell her running name out, but they got a name out. Tell them niggas talk shit, nigga. They think you know they go. Got to go to war with it in, nigga. Lose the talk. I never get caught looking y'all, cause it ain't what you do. Because it is we saw. I'm way too rough. Catch me any day you want. You can think I'm a got an AK, you don't know that. These niggas wanna kill me too. They can catch me in the right now. Yeah, I'm in the whole shit. Full space. Take the water, you know it. Check it out. Try to leave you with no dick. Won't plan to bed. Oh shit. See you a couple more to bitch and I don't miss cause I'm on ass. That thing. Run from my shit. I tell them I ain't it's all what it is.
Move your big ass head, boy. Now let's transfer to the shitty shit car. It'd be on YouTube.
What are you doing, taping all? Number 19 is Terry Contest.
Get off Daddy's car.
He's gonna do most of it.
Oh yeah.
You better have them on, I'll blow your drums. Daddy's car turning around.
Huh? It don't move no more. It don't move no more though. Yeah, but he put that shit on there. You recording again?
Walking back and forth. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Yes, you are. You're on
Why?
That'll give people something to think about.
Put me on some YouTube.